Guys, so today I'm just gonna make a simple raining video, and sorry for not making any videos and stuff like stop motions and other stuff. I've just been really busy and stuff because, like, how school's gonna start in a little bit. Yeah, I'm just like really mad about that, but still, this is gonna be a simple raining video. If you want to skip it to 25 seconds. It's gonna be 25 seconds anyway, but still, hope you guys enjoy the video. See you guys later. Bye. Yo, what's up, guys? I can't. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Oh my god, man. I can't be out here, guys. It's too dangerous. I could get freaking struck by lightning if I do get the chances, but still. Oh my god, lightning. But I'm gonna prop up the camera and I'm gonna go out. Guys, I'm sorry I can't hold the camera, but you guys like it more because it's nice and rain. But if you want to go ahead and, like, you're one of those people that like to sleep in, like, rain or, like, little videos and stuff, I guess you could watch this and something, but still, it's really bad, so, yeah, I have to go. I'll come back till, I don't know when, but, but still, I can't, like, record much longer because my phone says, like, the battery recording thing is only at, 7, so I'm gonna have to go because, look, I'm covered with water. So, guys, I'm gonna prop up my camera, but I have to go. Really sorry, but comment down below if you saw some lightning strikes, alright? But I'm gonna go for now because it's way too dangerous out here. But still, guys, enjoy the video. So I'm gonna cut this scene out. So I'm gonna prop it up and hopefully it doesn't. Oh my god! Hopefully it doesn't fall. But tell me if you see any lightning strikes in the comments. If you want to skip, go ahead and skip till we get to this thing. But still, see you guys later. Bye.